Hello my dear children, today we'll study Class 4 English from Hiawatha. Hiawatha was a young red Indian boy. He lived with his grandmother Nokomis in a wigwam. Nokomis told Hiawatha about the wonders around them. She told him about the stars, the trees, the insects, the birds, the animals, and many other things. Yavata grew up to love them all. He could talk to the birds and the animals, and they to him. Now let's recite and understand the poem. Then the little Yavata learned of every bird its language, learned their names and all their secrets, how they built their nest in summer, where they hid themselves in winter, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's chickens. In this stanza, the poet says that little Hiawatha knew all the names of birds and their languages and all the secrets of birds, like how they built their nest in summer and where they hide themselves in winter, and whenever he found them he talked with them and he called them as Hiawatha's chickens. This shows that he was an animal lover and he took care of all the animals and birds. Let's move to the second stanza. Of all beasts he learned the language, learned their names and all their secrets, how the beavers built their lodges, where the squirrels hid their acorns, how the reindeer ran so swiftly, why the rabbit was so timid, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's brothers. Now the poet says that Hiawatha knew the language of all the beasts. Beast means animals and dangerous animals. He also knew their names and all their secrets, as how the beavers build their lodges. Beaver is a rodent which is semi-aquatic, which means it can live on land as well as in water, where the squirrels hid their acorns. Acorn is a fruit of nut. How the reindeer ran so swiftly. He also knew that how the reindeer ran so fast and why the rabbit was so timid. Timid means frightened. Talked with them whenever he met them. He used to talk to the beasts and he called them Hiawatha's brothers. So children, here the poem comes to an end. Let's see the word meanings. Now let's see some word meanings. The first word is Red Indian. The native tribe of North America is called Red Indian. Next word is secret. Something that is kept unknown or unseen to others. That is called secret. The next word is wigwam. What is a wigwam? A hut or a tent with a domed or conical roof is called wigwam. You can see two pictures. In one picture, the roof is domed, and in the other picture, the roof is of conical shape. Beaver. Beaver is a large, broad-tailed rodent. It is like rat, but it has a broad and long tail. Lodges. Lodges means small wooden houses. Acorn. Acorn is the fruit of oak tree. Reindeer. Reindeer is a deer with large branching antlers. Timid. Timid means lack of confidence, or we can say easily frightened. As we saw in the poem that the rabbit was timid. After the word meaning, let us find out the answers of few questions. Question number 1. Who was Hiawatha? Hiawatha was a young red Indian boy. Who was Nokomis? Nokomis was Hiawatha's grandmother. Next question. What did he learn about the birds? He learnt how birds build their nest in summer season and how they hide themselves in winters. What secret did he learn about beast? The secrets that he learnt about beast were how the beavers build their lodges, how the squirrels hid their acorns, how the reindeer ran quickly, and how the rabbit was so timid. Now, the next exercise. Here, there is a park where the children talk to different animals. So children, you have to write down the sentences about the pictures. So I am giving you an example. You can write down on your own also. So we can write, there are so many birds and animals in this park. We can also see some plants and flowers. The birds and animals talk with children happily. All of them play together in the park. Now, next question is, describe Yavata, his home and friends in 10 lines. So, here we go. Yavata was a red Indian boy. He lived with his grandmother in wigwam. Wigwams are houses which are made from bamboos and they are easily available in the nature. His grandmother told Hiawatha about the stars, trees, insects, birds and animals. And after listening to these stories, Hiawatha started loving all the creatures. He was a very intelligent boy who could understand the language of birds and animals. The birds and animals also talked with him. They told him all their secrets. He called them his chickens and brothers, and all of them lived in harmony like a family.